This is my lovely Casio Square, the G-Shock GW-M5610U. As you can see from here, it says multiband 6. This indicates that the watch is capable of receiving time signal transmitted from 6 different stations of the world. Here are the locations of the transmitters of time signals all over the world. There are 2 in Japan, 1 in China, 1 in UK, 1 in Europe, and another WWVB in United States. So it's covering quite a lot of area. However, most of the world is not covered, is uncovered by the time signal. Most of Central Asia, most of Africa, Australia, and South America are not covered. I stay in Southeast Asia, and most of the time I cannot sync my watch. The RCVD is never shown up. There are some online apps can sync radio-controlled watches, such as the JGY simulator and a few others, but they all generate some high-pitch sound wave, which I find sometimes a bit annoying. After some digging, I found the resource on GitHub created by Harlock974, and there is the repository time signal that I found very detailed, and he used the Raspberry Pi to generate EM waves to simulate the radio-controlled waves of the time signal, which I think is quite suitable for my setup because I happen to have a Raspberry Pi. Here is the Raspberry Pi. I'll show the GPIO pins. Green wire connects the pin 7, white to pin 6, which is the ground. Green is the signal. And here I use the small breadboard to hold the resistor. Then it connects to the orange wire. I use some crocodile wires to connect to the antenna, which is here. How many rounds are there? I think about 20. I use a ballpoint pen to hold it. That's it. Okay, now it's time to run the time signal on the Raspberry Pi. The command is fairly easy. Just type time signal -s JJY40, which simulates the time signal generated by JJY40 station. Yeah, and there's the time show it's running. And then let's go to the antenna and try our watch, try the sync. So here it's transmitting, and I can close the cabinet and move my watch close. This is working fine. Once I press the receiving button, okay, the receiving will start. Here the RCVD is blinking. Okay, it takes about 20 seconds to receive level 1. Level 2 now. Level 3 now. Okay, I'll leave it here and let it run. So it's staying at level 3. It looks quite stable. Okay, received. We have gotten the time signal adjustment at 12:20 today. That's it. About 2 minutes. Enjoy the received signal and accurate time.